Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to replace a car battery. It's very simple. I'm going to just walk you through it. I got this question when I was on live, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we're going to take the negative off first. I always take the negative off, use the 8mm. Most parts, take that off first. And then you go take the positive off. Then I should be able to take this right off. It's just a little cover. Take the little cover piece off. Set that to the side. And make sure I move these out the way. Then there's another. There's another keeping it in lock down here. As you can see, it's right here. You're gonna keep the same 8mm right there. You unscrew that out. Taking the wrench. Take this out. This is what the holder looks like. Boom, take that out, set that to the side. You're gonna need that for later. And if we take this battery right out of here. So make sure I move all this stuff out the way. There's the old battery out. What the inside looks like. I'm gonna slide this back in there exactly how it is. Make sure it lines up with the negative and lines up with the positive. Positive, it usually always has this red covering over it, and we're gonna put this back in here. Like I said, we're gonna line it back up. Batteries are indeed fucking heavy, like than the motherfucker, and you just slide it back as far as you possibly can. Slide it back. Put that down in there. This covering off. Take that little red covering off, it's brand new. Tighten that piece back in there. We'll put this cover back on here. Then we're gonna take our positive side first. Sure there's no sparks. Alright, nothing too heavy. Should be good to go. Alright, now time to test it. Let me move everything out the way. Now I'm gonna start this up. And that is it. And if you don't remember the tools, all you need is an 8mm. You do probably need the long extension wrench. If you want to know what it looks like, it literally says on it 8mm right on it. You just need one of those 8mm wrench, and this is the wrench. This is what it looks like, and that is pretty much it. Yeah, I hope y'all learned something new. I love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.